Hi everyone, Nathan here from myimtips.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you 5 simple tips on how to get your emails opened. But first, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Okay, so we all know the importance of having your emails opened, and it can be a little bit tricky from time to time. We are wondering if our list is not engaged anymore, if it is arriving in the spam folder or whatever it is. But keep in mind that your subscriber is also receiving emails from definitely probably 10, 15 or 20 more people like you. So we want to be a little bit different than the others, and that's why I thought it would be a good idea to share a few simple tips with you here today on how you can have your emails opened. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, first off, we are going to change your from email. And few examples that I'm showing you here, you can see this is with my IM tips. I just typed it's Atan from my IM tips, and I'm having a star symbol here. So you need to change this from time to time to not have the same all the time, because people are getting used to it. While it's good for branding and be separated, I think, and I tested it, I think it definitely helps you to be a bit different. You can see the difference on the third one here, for example, where I'm using a different symbol here. It's Atan from Daily List Profits. It's not it's Atan. Here it's Atan from AV Mastery. Okay, so it definitely helps to change from time to time your from email address. Tip number 2, using brackets in the subject line. Not saying that you're going to do this all the time, but you can see here I put some brackets in, stop wasting your time, which definitely helps. This is a combination, actually. I have brackets, a must see, affiliate robots plus free traffic equals cha-ching, and I also have a symbol. So could be a good idea to use this also from time to time. Tip number 3, use a symbol or emoticon in the subject. Now, I know that not all the symbols are being shown, it all depends on what kind of email there is, but usually most of the people are having a Yahoo or a Gmail account, and it works just great. So you can see here the first one is a fire symbol, colored and nice, which is really showing up and stick out there. So limited time discount, for example, is the subject line, is live now. Next could be a simple like this one, just an arrow, which will work on probably most of the email accounts you're having there. So and the third one you can see here, it's a thunder symbol, powerful methods that will shock you. Of course, it is very important to have a good subject line in place. I don't think it's necessary to cover that, so you definitely want to have that. Next tip is creating curiosity, and by curiosity you can see here, have you seen it yet? Have I seen what? I mean, I'm curious now, okay, and I want to see what is it talking about. So there you have the opens, okay. The next one, in or out, regarding what? Okay, I'm curious. So you want to make sure that the subject line, you want to have some curiosity in there. And you see, combined with the symbols, definitely there is a big difference here. So we're going for number 5 here. And the number 5 is questions. Ask questions, because that of course will help the curiosity, and by asking questions you're activating the brain on take action. Okay, so as you can see here, the first one, I have a symbol here, 14 times more effective than email marketing. What could that be? Okay, so there you have your curiosity by asking a question, and I'm activating by telling my brain that I want to see what this is all about. And the next subject line is I'm asking why, with 3 whys, 3 question marks, and of course I'm using symbol both at the start of the subject line and at the end of the subject line. So definitely I'm asking question, I'm activating the brain, and I'm curious to see what is he talking about, this crazy little guy Atan here. Okay, so let's have a quick look again. Change your from email address, brackets in the subject line, and symbol or emoticon in the subject, curiosity, and of course questions. I'm not saying that you're going to use this on every email you're sending, okay? But definitely use it in every second or third email or something like that, and combined, don't play around a bit, okay? Play with the email. Next one, use a symbol. Next, use a simple email. So you're not using every time, because people get tired, and you want to be different on your emails all the time. Okay, there you have it. Time to get those 5 simple tips implemented on how to get your emails opened. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. But most importantly, there is a link below in the description for my #1 recommendation on how to make money online. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.